The maiden public issue of Mumbai-headquartered Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has opened for subscription today. Let's do a three-point analysis to find out what should investors do. 1. Public offering details. Well, state-owned Mazagon Dock is a defense public sector undertaking shipyard under the Department of Defense Production of the Ministry of Defense. Now, it is the only company in the country which has got capabilities to build 5 submarines at a time and execute highly specialized warships for the defense. Now, the issue has opened today and will close on October 1st. The IPO also consists of an entire offer for sale of over 3 crore equity shares by the Ministry of Defense Government of India. Now, the total offer will constitute 15.17% of the post-issue paid-up equity. Mazagon Dock has fixed the IPO price at 135 to 145 rupees per share. The company aims to raise about 444 crore rupees at the upper price band. 2. How does the financial picture look like? Well, Mazagon Dock posted 7.9% year-on-year growth in revenue at 4,900 crore rupees for FY20. It has consistently reported profits in the last 4 financial years also. The cash in the books lends a lot more comfort. The company actually gets advances against the projects, and this cash received from the customers, which is largely the Indian defense, which is close to about 5,800 crore rupees. And most of it is parked. About 5,000 crores is parked in the banks, and that earns it a steady income as well. Now, one of the strengths is that due to the high internal cash generations, the company does not require capital for growth and working capital, and thus it does not have to borrow and raise funds or dilute equity capital also. Now, currently it has a capacity to build 10 warships and 11 submarines, which is underutilized, and it is waiting for more large projects to get finalized. Now, the company has a strong order book, and these are large sized orders, high value projects. They get executed about 7 or 6 years kind of duration, and even if you look, the company is currently executing about 4 submarines, which is totaling in the size of about 32,000 crore rupees. Now, these high value orders have helped the company to build huge order book of close to 54,000 crore rupees, which is almost 11 times its annual revenue, and thus they provide a very strong revenue as well as the earnings visibility. So, should you subscribe to the issue? Well, the company is one of the high quality PSUs operating with negative working capital, robust order book, having zero debt on the books. It is sitting on a huge cash pile, having a strong competitive advantage, large scale and superior return ratios as well. Moreover, the offer is attractively priced at 7 times earnings and merely 0.95 times the below book value for FY20. This is quite good, particularly in the light of the peers who are trading at a slightly higher valuation. Now, the margin of safety is quite high, and that makes it a very attractive offer with close to 7.5% dividend yield, which is also much higher when you compare it with the listed peers like Garden Reach Shipyard, Cochin Shipyard and the like as well.